In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick the right form type in Mailchimp. Whether you're building your email list, growing your audience, or just starting out with email marketing, selecting the right form is a crucial step. And don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step so you feel confident using Mailchimp to its fullest potential. Let's dive in. First, head over to Mailchimp. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the home screen. This is your central hub for all your campaigns, audience management, and tools. From here, look for the Forms option. You'll typically find it in the main navigation menu. Click on it, and it will take you to the Forms section where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Forms section, you'll see a variety of options, but what you want to do next is click on Other Forms. This is where you'll unlock the flexibility to create different types of forms tailored to your specific needs. By selecting this, you're opening up more advanced options that go beyond the basics. Now you're ready to create a new form. Go ahead and click on the button that says Create New Form. This is the starting point for building something unique for your audience. At this stage, Mailchimp will present you with 3 primary form types to choose from: embedded forms, pop-up forms, and landing page forms. Let me explain what each one is so you can determine which is the best fit for your goals. The first option is the embedded form. This type of form is perfect if you already have a website and you want to integrate your sign-up form directly into it. It's a seamless way to collect email addresses without redirecting users to another page. Embedded forms are ideal for businesses or blogs that want to keep visitors on their site while encouraging them to subscribe. If you're comfortable using a little bit of code, or if you have someone who can help you, this is a great choice. Next, we have the pop-up form. As the name suggests, this form appears as a pop-up window on your website. These are highly effective for grabbing your audience's attention, especially if you want to promote a special offer, a discount, or an exclusive newsletter. Just keep in mind that pop-ups can sometimes feel intrusive, so use them strategically to enhance rather than disrupt. The user experience finally, there's the landing page form. This option is fantastic if you don't have a website or you want to create a dedicated page for collecting signups. A landing page form allows you to design a standalone page with a clear call to action, making it perfect for campaigns where you want undivided attention on your offer. It's simple to customize and doesn't require any coding. So, there you have it, a quick walkthrough of how to access and choose the right form type in Mailchimp. Remember, the best form for you depends on your audience, your goals, and how you want to connect with your subscribers. Take some time to explore these options and don't be afraid to experiment to see which one works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.